The truth of the matter is, it began soon after my birth when I became interested in art and comic art, and I never lost that interest. In fact, my first ambition was to be a comic book artist. Without too much talent, it was difficult to make that a reality. But I maintained an interest and bought comic books, put my dimes down for years and years and years. I came to Rice and wound up going to medical school, so my interest in comic art remained at a very amateur consumer level. After I got quite a few comic books, I realized that I needed to do something with this collection because I wasn't going to be around forever.
You collected these as a child, yes?
And an old man, too.
Today we're going to do an unboxing of some of the vintage comics. The value is incredibly high. They're also incredibly fragile. So we're going to look at maybe some of the covers. In particular, I'm really excited about seeing a copy of Impact #1, which sounds very kind of pedestrian comic, but it's actually a really terrific anti-fascist comic from the 50s, drawn by Bernie Kriegstein, who's a sort of underrated master of comics. So really lucky to have these things here with us.
Yes. Sometimes I read comics online now, and it's never the same as, going to the store and buying some, and the comic book store, and having them on your shelf.
This is special to me because I've loved these comics for the last 80 some odd years. And it's a special day for me to send my comic books to a good home.
Teaching is planting seeds for trees that you're never going to see grow. You do the planting and then you hope that something springs out of it. Dr. Green's a great example of that. 60 years later, we've got this wonderful new crop of objects that are going to be great for study and research.